Taking a look at a grapevine will always start going out with a side step. So if we wanted to do a grapevine to the right, we're going to step the right to the side, step the left behind, step the right to the side. Generally a grapevine will finish with a touch, but it could finish with a scuff. So we could do a side behind, side scuff, and other variations, but most commonly it finishes with a touch. So grapevine, going out to the side, to the right, side, behind, side, finish with a touch. Now if we want to do a grapevine to the left, we step side with the left, behind with the right, side with the left, and we can do a touch with the right. So now we can practice doing a grapevine to the right with a touch, and to the left with a touch. Ready? And side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Sometimes a grapevine is described as a weave, but a weave will always be going either across in front first or behind first. So we would be going behind, side, cross, side, or it will be going across in front, cross, side, behind, side. A grapevine always goes to the side first. Side, behind, side, touch, side.